A wide camera. Hi, my name is Brian Lang. I'm the founder of Lumenarc Technologies and the creator of the Active Diffusion behind me. This is our head of operations, Shelby Murphy, and head of sales, Zach Lang. First off, I'd like to thank Cine D for giving us the Best Show Award for 2023. Okay, so this is the Active Diffusion. It's a product I invented. So essentially, it is a variable density diffusion frame and the first in the industry. We have two sizes. We have the 40-inch by 40-inch, which is right here, and then a 24 by 36, which I could show you in a moment. We'll be releasing a 4x4 in the coming months. So right now, all frames are controlled by a single controller unit. It's our universal controller, and we try to keep it as simple as possible, going from 100% to 0%, 0% being full transparent. So we can go ahead and show you that right now. As we go down 0%, we reach what we consider true transparent, essentially giving you 100 levels of diffusion, which we would most closely relate to opal heavy frost diffusion quality. As far as heat, that's a big question we get from a lot of grips and gaffers. How much heat can this take? This is high temperature, so it can go up to about 200 degrees, a little bit over 200 degrees in surface temperature, meaning that you can use lights like M18s, perhaps M40s, at around 5 feet away with no problem, and then obviously LED lights and everything else. We found that there's minimal color shift, about 80 degrees Kelvin into the warm scale, which when you compare to like a standard grid cloth or silk diffusion, it's just on par with that. And it doesn't change wavelengths either, which means that you can use any form of light you want, fluorescent, LED, incandescent, doesn't really matter. So the actual material itself is called PDLC, stands for Polymer Dispersed Liquid Crystal. And essentially the material that you would see in boardrooms, in bathrooms, as a privacy film, with a switch, everything goes from clear to frosted. So what we've done is we've taken that material, we've adapted it to filmmaking by creating our custom mix that mitigates the color shifts and then adds to the durability of the products. We've been able to drive it at a higher frequency, higher than 60 hertz, mitigating a lot of the flicker that you would get at higher frame rates. Everything else is pretty robust. We've built it out of scratch-resistant polycarbonate on the front, polycarbonate on the sides, aluminum frame with a steel yoke system to withstand, most situation with grips or gaffers on a truck. So the product itself comes with a semi-hard case. It's a nylon-lined case with a hard plastic insert to protect it. But if you want to put it into a truck, a crate in a truck, here's the case as well. I'm going to show them the actual size of our 3x3. Essentially what the 2x3 is going to be. Same technology. Just smaller form factor. Cool. Yeah. So, if you want to use the case, great. We suggest that you do. If not, that's totally fine. We've designed it with a form factor to be able to fit in standard crates or carts, in a grip truck as well. As far as power, you can use house power if you'd like. We have an adapter with a power supply that you can connect to. Otherwise, it's native mechanical V-Lock, so you can use any camera batteries or gold with a adapter. It's also very low power consumption, so a single 50 watt-hour battery can run this thing for around 18 hours, so a full production day, so you don't really have to worry too much about that. Yeah, so we're accepting pre-orders right now. We're currently manufacturing. So at the moment, for the show only, we're offering a 25% off. Coupon, I don't know if you want to show them the...
Show's over anyway.
Yeah, until midnight tonight, actually. So you won't. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, we are providing a coupon for 15% off, which is promo code SPLITTHEDIFF15 for the remainder of our pre-orders as well. Yeah.
Good.
That's pretty much it. Yeah.
Thank you. It says e-badge.